If you want to recover deleted files on OPPO Find X9, then the first thing that you need to do is pretty much open the app that you use in order to remove a file. And for example, if you used the My Files app made by OPPO, then in this case we need to scroll all the way down in the Files section, and over here we have Recently Deleted. In here you can press and hold your finger on the first thing that you want to recover to select it, and then of course you can select multiple files at once, and then at the bottom we have the recover option, just like that. Now if you removed a photo or a video, then you want to open the Photos app over here. Now especially if you removed by using this app, of course, we need to switch to albums, and if you scroll all the way down, then over here we have Recently Deleted as well, and just like before we can press and hold in order to select files, and then we have the restore option. And in some other cases, you might need to go to the Files app by Google, so this one over here. In here, we can tap on these three lines in the top left corner, and then we have the bin or trash. And over here, we should also be able to find some files that we have removed. You can select them and then choose to restore. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.